This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. At least 399 more people tested positive for COVID-19 in Tripura yesterday, raising the total tally in the state to 15,529. The death toll rose to 149 after 5 more people succumbed to the infection, health officials said. West Tripura district, of which state capital Agartala is a part, has counted for 80 of the 149 COVID-19 deaths. The state currently has 6,310 active cases, while 9,048 people have recovered from the disease. A 71-year-old retired police officer who had tested positive for COVID-19 died in civil hospital Shillong, taking the fatality count in Meghalaya to 17. Health officials yesterday said that 29 persons tested positive for COVID-19, taking the number of active cases to 1,457. 4 persons also recovered from the viral infection, taking the tally of recovery to 1,560 in Meghalaya. With 948 active cases, East Khasi Hills, including Shillong, is the most affected district. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya government yesterday decided to allow reopening of places of worship in the state if the COVID-19 situation improves by the first week of October. Sikkim reported its 6th COVID-19 fatality yesterday as a 27-year-old man succumbed to the infection in East Sikkim district. 29 more people have tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, taking the state's tally to 1,940 yesterday. Of the fresh cases, 18 were reported from East Sikkim and 11 from West Sikkim districts. East Sikkim, of which state capital Gangtok is a part, has recorded the highest number of COVID-19 cases. The COVID-19 caseload in Mizoram went up to 1,114 after 21 more people, including 7 Border Security Force personnel, tested positive for the virus yesterday. The state now has 382 active cases and 732 patients have recovered from the disease. Nagaland's recovery rate from COVID-19 has improved to 87.06%. Yesterday, 173 patients recovered from the infection, taking the recovered tally to 3,674. The state also reported 42 fresh positive cases, of which 36 were detected from Dimapur and 6 from Kohima. Total positive cases in Nagaland was 4,220 yesterday, including 8 deaths, while active cases came down to 525 in the state. 4 persons were arrested and drugs worth 2.48 crore rupees seized from their possession in 2 incidents in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. A police team intercepted an Agartala-bound truck at Shillong bypass on Sunday and seized 5.08 kilogram yaba tablets from the vehicle. The 31-year-old truck driver, a resident of North Tripura district, has been arrested. In another incident, 3 persons, including a woman, were arrested and 0.65 grams of heroin seized from their possession. All the 4 accused persons have been booked under the NDPS Act, a senior police officer said. Assam Governor Jagdish Mukhi yesterday said he has constituted a committee of vice-chancellors of some universities to suggest a roadmap for implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in the state. Mr. Mukhi, who attended the Governor's Conference on the role of National Education Policy in transforming higher education, said the members of the panel have already met and made some recommendations. A Rajyik Shiksha Ayog will be constituted in Assam for implementation of the recommendations of the new policy. And Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday attended the 20th celebration of Northeastern Space Application Centre Foundation Day via video conference from his official chamber in Shillong. He congratulated the organization for its contribution to the Northeastern region for overall development through space technology and IT-enabled services. Mr. Sangma said that during COVID times, everybody in the world has used IT-enabled services for meetings and conferences and for collection of data, which has helped in governance. Northeastern Space Application Centre was established in September 2000 as a joint initiative of the Department of Space and the Northeastern Council. The centre helps in augmenting the developmental process in the region by providing advanced space technology support. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.